In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an eBay gift card code for the 2025 update. Whether you're a seasoned eBay user or new to online shopping, redeeming a gift card is a straightforward process that can help you save money on your purchases. So let's dive right in and make the most of your eBay gift card. First off, open your favorite web browser and in the search bar, type eBay. Hit enter and you'll likely see eBay showing up as the top search result. Go ahead and click on that link, which will take you straight to the eBay homepage. Now, in order to redeem a gift card, you'll need to sign into your eBay account. If you don't have one yet, just take a few moments to create an account. On the upper left corner of the web page, you'll see the Sign In option. Click on it and enter your login details to access your eBay account. Once you're successfully logged in, you can start browsing the vast array of items available for sale on eBay. Scroll through the categories or use the search bar to find the specific item you wish to purchase. Take your time because there's plenty to choose from. When you land on an item that you want to buy, simply click on it. This will bring up more details about the product, including a description and price. If you've made up your mind, the next step is to add the item to your cart. You'll find the Add to Cart button on the screen, click it, and your item is now saved in your shopping cart, ready for checkout. With your item in the cart, look for the checkout button and click on it. This action will take you to the payment page. Here comes the part where we redeem the eBay gift card. Scroll down until you spot the section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. It's usually near the bottom of the checkout page. In this section, you'll find a text box where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code you have, ensuring there are no typos. After entering the code, press the Apply button, which you will find nearby. If the code is valid, your gift card amount will be applied to your purchase total automatically. You should see the updated price reflecting the deduction immediately. Take a quick look to ensure everything is as expected, and if so, you're now ready for the final steps. Hit Confirm and Pay to complete your purchase, and there you have it. You've successfully redeemed your eBay gift card code and made your purchase. It's a simple process, but if you follow these steps meticulously, you'll make your shopping experience smooth and successful. Happy shopping, and don't forget to check back for more updates and tutorials.